got funny to step back.
Good morning, guys. It is Kiki and Trinice. Today we are at the Bellagio because we are going on a trip to the Grand Canyon. So we had to be here by 6:20 to take the bus to the Grand Canyon. So we're very excited for this long ride. So we will see you guys during our day. I have never been here before. Trinice hasn't been here before, and we both travel a lot, so we're excited to see it. So I'll see you guys soon.
But you always do it better than me. I just wanna be loved like you. I just want them to see me too. Just wanna be the one they choose. Yeah, I just wanna be loved. That's really, really good for you. Yeah, everything.
Hey guys, this is our first stop. We have stopped at our rest stop. We stopped at Terrible Herbs in order to go to the convenience store to relieve ourselves and all the other good stuff. They have some water out here for us. And also what I learned is that we actually gained an hour because we're in Arizona, even though it was only like 45 minutes outside of Vegas. So we gained an additional hour. So I'll see you guys at our next stop. Bye.
I try not to envy you, to get angry, you do it better than me. I try not to hate myself, to lose confidence, but you always do it better than me. I just wanna be loved like you. I just want them to see me too. Just wanna be the one they choose.
Hey guys, we are here. Made it to the Grand Canyon. So they have informed us whenever you visit to the Grand Canyon, always go to the skywalk first because that gets the most congested. Then take your pictures later. So we are headed to the skywalk. See you guys in a minute.
Why was it her and not me? Why was it her and not me? Wish someone could redesign me, then not have the style to find me. Why was it her and not me? Why was it her and not me? Envy is gonna blind me. Why was it her and not me?
So now we have to get these booties to put on. Trinice gave me hers.
And me, try not to hate myself, lose confidence. I just wanna be loved like you. I just want them to see me too. Just wanna be the one they choose. Yeah, I just wanna be loved.
Oh my goodness. We on the rim. Oh my gosh, it's kind of scary over here. Look at the bottom. Oh my gosh, it's like you're standing. Well, you are standing with it.
Pretty cool, isn't it?
This is amazing. Everyone's here. Just did the sky view, so now we're on our way to the restaurant. It's called the Sky View Terrace. Well, thank you so much. So this is the view from the restaurant. Oh, see it? They put us right by the window, which is so nice. So we are about to leave the restaurant. They put us right by the window, which is so fabulous. See the room. I'll see you guys in a minute. Got off the bus. We at Guano Bay. It is gorgeous here. Oh my gosh, so pretty. So I am 5 feet from the edge. It's like never ending.
Found myself inside all this tension, a feeling I never was expecting. I don't see the pros, don't know the cons, forget the why.
This sign, please keep 5 feet from the edge. This edge is so deadly. I don't know why anybody would even want to go close to that. Look at my hand. Oh my God.
Don't wanna feel it, what is left. I've been thinking about us and the things you say, how you don't feel enough to come share my bed. All I ever wanted was the truth, and I got it.
Hey guys, the Grand Canyon is beautiful. I'm just sitting up here on the rocks, hanging out, taking a little rest. It's a lot of ways to cover out here, but I am enjoying myself. It's a nice little breeze. It was a little bit cool, but now the sun's coming back out again. So Grand Canyon, love it. Make sure you like, comment, and subscribe. I'll see you guys in a minute.
I just wanna lay here inside of your arms. Maybe we could jump back to the start. And you never would talk to me then if we never met, babe. If we never met. Is it too much to ask? A little conversation, a minute's enough to work out the frustration.
So I reached the top of Guano Point, and I am going to end this vlog. Thank you so much. Oh my God, go birds! Go birds! Everywhere you go, go birds! Oh my gosh, look at that, Philadelphia Eagles. We are everywhere. So like I said, thank you so much for watching me on this vlog. I had a fabulous time in Grand Canyon. I never would have went if it wasn't for my friend Trinice, because she came into town. I don't know where she is. She left me. So make sure that you like, comment, and subscribe to Kiki. I love you for watching. Bye. walk to Arizona, which is right here.